In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk to a Turbotax agent. Let's start from the Turbotax homepage. Tap the Help button at the top right of your screen. This will open a chat page. Type in, "I need to make a call," and hit the Send button. The chatbot, or AI, will then respond. You can explain your problem to the chatbot and hit Send again. Whatever the answer, make sure to let them know that you still need to talk to someone, so click on I still need an expert. Then click on Call Back. After that, they will ask to confirm your identification, such as your name, phone number, and email. Once you confirm everything, choose Yes, connect me. An expert will then call you at the phone number you provided. In some cases, the chat box may give you a case number and a phone number that you need to call, so you might get a different response than I did. After you get the number, you can call them right away. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.